I'm François van Eckendonk. I'm a senior policy consultant or policy maker in Vitens, and I'm responsible to make sure that the asset management process is running smoothly, and where we need additional policy that we draft it and make sure that we work accordingly. We worked on a project with MaxGrip when it came to actually defining our maintenance plans. They really gave us an inside view on where we have to do improvement activities in terms of the rationalization of our maintenance. And the second is that we have developed a criticality method, rank our assets, starting with obviously the most important or the most critical assets down to the less critical assets. We chose to work with MaxGrip because we knew that they had sufficient experience in the field of maintenance. That was really important to us. And also because it was not just a theoretical experience they brought with them, but also the practical knowledge of the water business, so to speak. And that combination was really valuable to us.